Have you ever contemplated the enigmatic nature of out-of-body experiences? Well, prepare to delve into the fascinating realm of the human brain as scientists unravel the mysteries behind this phenomenon. Recent research has led to the identification of a specific brain region that appears to be intricately linked to these extraordinary occurrences. Dr. Josef Parvizi, a renowned neurology professor at Stanford University, was confronted with an intriguing case. A patient with epilepsy shared an intriguing tale of altered perception. This individual described a shifting sense of self, as if assuming the role of a detached observer to the inner conversations of their mind. Additionally, they experienced an overwhelming sensation of floating through the vast expanse of space. Dr. Parvizi's curiosity was piqued, leading him to hypothesize that the patient's seizures were impacting a distinctive region known as the posterior midline cortex, PMC. Situated discretely between the two hemispheres of the brain, the PMC is renowned for its role in constructing our narrative self, an internal autobiography that shapes our sense of identity. Dr. Parvizi postulated that the PMC may also govern our perception of the physical self, providing us with an innate understanding that our body and thoughts belong solely to us. To delve deeper into this intriguing concept, Dr. Parvizi and his team embarked on a series of experiments. They employed electrical stimulation to replicate the patient's reported symptoms, seeking to discern the effects on the PMC. What they discovered was nothing short of astounding. By targeting a specific area within the PMC known as the anterior precuneus, the researchers observed significant alterations in individuals' perception of their physical self. This remarkable finding, published in the esteemed journal Neuron, unveiled the pivotal role played by the anterior precuneus in differentiating personal experiences. Christophe Lopez, a distinguished researcher at the National Center for Scientific Research in France, postulated that our physical self draws influence from the inner ear, an organ responsible for sensing motion and body position in space. Remarkably, the team's investigations yielded evidence supporting this theory. They observed that the anterior precuneus acts as a central hub, processing signals originating from the inner ear. Remarkably, stimulation of the anterior precuneus led participants to report profound sensations of weightlessness, as if their very being floated effortlessly within the room. They described a sense of freefall, a disconnection between the signals conveyed by the inner ear and the information received through visual cues. This discrepancy perplexes the brain, ultimately resulting in the illusion of being transported beyond one's physical confines. Interestingly, it appears that electrical stimulation is not the only avenue through which such experiences can be induced. Ketamine, a potent anesthetic known to profoundly affect the mind, has also shown to impact the anterior precuneus in a similar fashion. This revelation presents an intriguing possibility. Electrical pulses could potentially serve as a viable alternative to anesthetic drugs like ketamine. By targeting specific brain regions with greater precision, this approach may mitigate the widespread side effects associated with broad-scale interventions. The implications of these findings extend even further. Researchers speculate that stimulating the precuneus may hold the key to replicating the profound antidepressant effects of ketamine. Although uncharted territory, this prospect offers hope for the development of novel therapies in the realm of mental health. As the scientific community continues to unravel the complexities of the human brain, these recent discoveries shed light on the intricate connections between our physical self, our sense of identity, and the remarkable experiences that arise when these connections are disrupted.